Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a YouTube channel that is creating musical content. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that we need a fresh, modern and minimalistic logo design for our YouTube channel Districts. We are celebrating 200,000 subscribers and a reach of 5 million people. We create viral TikTok mashup videos for people to listen and to enjoy. We are branching out now to represent as a record label and we love to have a nice logo. We are thinking to have the initial letter D somehow integrated in the logo design. But we are not married to this, just a rough suggestion. But one thing is sure, that logo should represent the musical content. Now the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the logo, which is Districts, and it's a YouTube channel. And the second one is that they are creating TikTok mashup videos. And the third point is a suggestion, which is about initial letter D. And the fourth one is that logo must represent the musical content. Now let's continue with the mind mapping process. And for the mind mapping, I have extracted two important points. First one, the name of the logo. And the second one is music. Because we have to emphasize on the musical content in the logo design. For the logo name, we can either use the initial letter D or we can use the combination of the initial and the last letter, letter D and letter X. For the musical content, we can either use the musical instruments like a drum or a guitar. And to make our logo more theoretical, we can use elements like a music note or a music slur. Music slur is basically a curved line which is used to represent a sequence between two or more notes. And we can also use a stave. Stave is a set of 5 parallel horizontal lines, with each line represents a different musical pitch. And to make our logo more minimalistic, we can use elements like music waves or piano keys. And now to design our logo, I have decided to use the combination of two elements, letter D and a music note. And after sketching different designs by using the combination of these two elements, I stick to this one. And this is the finalized version. You can check out the detailed project on Behance. The link is given in the description. Now, if you want to suggest any modifications or want to share your thoughts about the design, that whether you liked it or not, then you can share in the comments section. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.